Hi, and welcome back to Cooking with Louise. I am Louise. On today's episode, I want to show you this quick and easy one-pot meal called egg roll in a bowl. You can actually get this meal on your table in about 15 minutes. These are the ingredients that you will need in today's recipe. A small onion, a red bell pepper, 2 14-ounce bags of coleslaw mix, 1 pound of either ground turkey or ground pork sausage, or in this case, just plain ground pork. You'll need 1 tablespoon of honey, some low sodium soy sauce, some sriracha, and 2 green onions, and then for a topping, if you would like, some chow mein noodles. So to get started with this recipe, I'm first going to chop the onion and the red bell pepper. So now that we have all of our vegetables prepped and ready to go, we can actually start cooking. So this recipe is going to be all made in our large family skillet. I'm just going to add a little bit of olive oil. I already have the skillet on, so it's nice and hot. A little bit of olive oil, and I'm going to start by browning some onions. Then I'm going to add the ground pork or the sausage or whatever it is that you are using. Oops, suppose we don't want to add the paper. And then I'm just going to use the mix and chop to crumble it all up.
A few moments later.
Now that the onions have cooked down and the pork is no longer pink, I'm going to go ahead and add the red bell pepper and the 2 bags of coleslaw mix. If you wanted to just buy cabbage and carrots and slice your own, you definitely can do that, but this is so much easier, and if you want a quick and easy weeknight meal, this will make it quicker for you. So don't worry, it looks like a lot, but it will cook down. So I'm just going to add the lid. Oops. Add the lid to it and let it cook for about 5 to 7 minutes. All right, so now I'm going to take the lid off. It's been about 7 minutes, and we'll stir it all around. And as you can see, it's cooked down. All that cabbage is cooked down, and it's time to add our sauce that we made. Remember, this was with the honey, the sriracha, the soy sauce, and the green onions. So we'll pour that on top. And we'll stir that around again to incorporate all the sauce, and then it just cooks for about 2 minutes with the lid off. All right, so our egg roll in a bowl is completely finished, and you can eat it just like this, and it'll be a carb-free meal, but it's also delicious with a little bit of rice. So in my micro cooker, I cooked a little bit of white rice, and I'll just add a little bit to the bottom of my bowl, and then add our egg roll in a bowl. That's just fun to say. Come on now, egg roll in a bowl. We'll add that to the top. And there you have another quick and easy weeknight meal. For a little topping, you could add a few of these chow mein noodles. If, of course, they have gluten in them, so if you're gluten-free, you won't want to do this. But a few little chow mein noodles to the top of it, just to top off the dish. There you go. I sure hope that you will give this a try with your family. I'm sure they will love it. I'm going to hand this one off to my son, which is over in the sidelines, for him to enjoy it. But please be sure, if you like this recipe, to give me some thumbs up. Be sure to subscribe and click the bell so you will be notified with all of my upcoming videos. Happy cooking! These are all the products used in today's video. I have put the links in the description, so if you would like any of them in your kitchen. And remember, please subscribe so you will be up to date with all of my latest videos.